In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create an effective About Us page using Shopify. An About Us page is a crucial component of your online presence, providing visitors with insight into your business's story, values, and mission, which can help build trust and connection with your audience. Let's walk step by step through the process of creating a compelling About Us page on Shopify. First off, head over to your Shopify admin dashboard. You'll find this by logging into your Shopify account and navigating to your store's homepage. Once you're there, look on the left-hand side for the Online Store tab. Go ahead and click on Online Store to reveal a drop-down menu, which is where we'll find the next option we need. From this drop-down, click on Pages. This section is dedicated to the various static pages of your online store, and it's here where we can create and organize content like the About Us page. Now you'll see a button labeled Add Page. Click on that, and we're on our way to creating a new page for your store. In the page creation area, you'll notice the first field you're prompted to fill out is titled Title. This is where you should enter the title for your new page. Let's type in About Us. The title is super important since it indicates to both your audience and search engines what your content is about. It should be clear and straightforward. Next, it's time to focus on the content of your About Us page. Click on the Content section where you can start writing your story. This is where you share who you are, what your business stands for, your journey, and what sets you apart from the competition. Crafting your content thoughtfully and authentically is key to connecting with your customers. Try to keep it engaging and inviting, reflecting the unique personality of your brand. After you have your content set, there's a crucial step to ensure your page goes live and is visible to the world. Head down to the Visibility section. Click here, and you'll have options to either make the page visible immediately or to schedule it for a later date. Choose the option that best suits your launch plan. For most people, making the page visible right away is ideal, especially if you're ready to share your story with your audience. Once these steps are completed, review everything one last time to ensure there are no typos and that the page looks just the way you want it. If everything looks great, don't forget to hit save. And there you have it, a polished and professional About Us page ready to enhance your store. That wraps up today's tutorial on creating an effective About Us page on Shopify. Hopefully, this guide has given you the confidence and knowledge to showcase your business with authenticity and flair. Thanks for watching, and don't hesitate to check out more of our videos for additional tips and guides.